All right. So this is maybe like take number 4 because I hit the wrong button when I was trying to record. Anyway, point of this video is to explain how to install and later play modded Among Us, specifically Town of Us Mira. In truth, there are really only 4 instructions here. It is to download the Town of Us Mira zip file, to make a copy of your Among Us folder, to copy the contents of the Town of Us Mira folder into your new copied Among Us folder, and then to launch Town of Us Mira. That's all you need to do. It's just that getting to each of those points might be a little challenging for some people. So we're going to walk through it. Now, before I begin, I want to explain that there is a website, or not a website, there's a page that explains all of this. So you can see there's like 4, 5 instructions here. So if you just want to read that, then you can access it by going to the Town of Us Mira GitHub page, which I just searched it up, but you can go here, scroll down, and you're going to click under Installation Windows Guides, and that will open this page for you. I lied, it will not open this page for you. It will open this page, then you need to click Steam, and then it'll be that page. But anyway, we're not going to do that. I'm just going to explain it as quickly as I can. So, the first thing we're going to want to do is download this top link here. Click on it, scroll down, and download steam-itch.zip. Now mine is already downloaded because I've done this a billion times before, but it's just going to show up wherever your downloads go. I use WinRAR. I'm going to assume you're not using WinRAR. So we're actually going to close this and we're just going to open our file explorer, go to downloads, right click, and then extract all. And it should automatically download it to your downloads folder, which I have right here. You can see it's right here. It'll download it as a normal file. So I'm not going to do that because I've already done that 100 times. So once it's downloaded, we are just going to open that up. Oh, well, I'm going to open up the actual folder. So we got everything here. And with that open, we can minimize this. And then we're going to open Steam. So you're going to navigate to your Among Us page, click on the Manage button down here, hit Manage again, and then Browse Local Files. So you should now have your Among Us folder open. What we're going to want to do at this point is click on this little up arrow, go to Common, and then we're just going to copy this and then paste it on our desktop. Mine always puts it over here for some reason. So I'll drag it over here for you. And so with that done, we're going to go back to the window that has our Town of Us Mira folder open on it. And then, I mean, you can either go back now, just click on the folder, double click on the folder, and then select all of these. You can do it one of 100 ways, but we're just going to do it like this. Right click, copy, and then right click, paste. And I would like to reiterate that this is our copied folder. And to make sure that you're using your copied folder for this, and in the future you're using your copied folder, I recommend you rename it. You can do that at any point. I'm going to call it TOU Mira. And then we have it renamed. So just to make sure that you're doing this right, we're going to navigate back to that, that page that I told you about under installation. And we're going to scroll down here. You see there's a picture here. It has all of the files and folders that you should have if you've done it correctly. And as you can see, I do. So in order to play this, you're just going to launch amongus.exe, double click on it. we're going to know that this worked upon launch in the main menu because it'll say Town of Us Mira instead of Among Us. And that's it. In order to play the game with other people, you're going to need to have everybody in your lobby download this and do this themselves, which is why I'm making this video. It's not a hard process. It's just a little nerve-wracking when you don't usually mess around with your files. Okay. I forgot that metal shuts off my cliffs when I open up a game. But anyway, I just wanted to show you what your screen should look like if you actually did the installation correctly. It should say Town of Us Mira instead of Among Us up here. And when you load it in, you might have seen the mod developers icon, the Avengers icon. So if it looks like this, you've done it right. Everybody in the lobby will need to download this, like I said. But it's not super challenging. Once you do it one time, then you will be set forever, basically. I'll work on making a better crew link video if necessary. I don't remember if it's necessary or not, but it'll be okay. So yeah, that's about all you need to know. If you have any questions, let me know. Hopefully this was helpful and you did it. Haha.